Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use yellow color. B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use blue color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now draw G. G for goat, G for drill, and use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use red color. Red color. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids again use red color and draw L. L for lion. Kids now draw M. M for moon, M for monkey, and use green color. Green color. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Kids now draw R. R for rose, R for rat, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun, S for sheep. Kids now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella, and use blue color. Blue color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wolf. Kids now draw X. X for X-ray, and use black color. Black color. Y. Y for yak. Kids again use black color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color. O and 1. 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3. T, H, R, W, 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F, O, U, R, 4. Kids now draw 5. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. S, I, X, 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 8. E, I, T, H, T, 8. Kids now draw 9. N, I, N, E, 9. 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.